Well, they're way off in the distance. And I've got the highest shutter speed. If I take it down, it'll get darker. So highest shutter, or highest ISO, excuse me, highest ISO is the best. And then for the shutter speed, of course, the slowest should be the best. If I go at a higher shutter speed, it blacks out. So yeah, I got it the best setting I can get it.
Way up there.
Yeah, I'm up at 200 feet. But still, see, there's the fireworks right there.
Over there, and then some over that way.
I'll move it forward a little bit. See it moving? What's that?
What?
Oh, that's fireworks. I thought I heard the pitter-patter of rain. Well, I got it on 2.7K. Oh, dummy. You know what? I didn't record, so I better turn on the recording now. Well, the screen recorder was going, but that's low resolution. All right, now I'm recording. That must be why the battery was doing so well. I didn't have the recorder on.
But you could see both of them.
Ooh, that was a good one. How long do you think the fireworks last?
I don't know. They should be doing the finale more, not you know it.
Yeah. You can hear it, can't you? Well, if it runs out of battery, it'll fall down in the yard here. Oh, that was pretty. They're shooting them up higher now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, that's pretty.
There's some over that way, too.
I know.
What do you think that is, down at the clubhouse or something?
No, it's not at the clubhouse. It's up on the hill somewhere.
Oh, they're shooting a whole bunch now at once. It's funny, it looks so close, or at least closer when I'm looking at it with a naked eye, but on the wide angle lens on the drone, it looks pretty far away. But maybe we can crop it in post. Get in a little closer. Oh, that's a bright one. See, if I was using the Mavic Pro, I could have a 2x zoom. I could bring it in closer, and I'd have 4K instead of 2.7K.
We ought to get that paint sometime. Just paint this wall and get it over with.
Yeah.
Before it gets dirty. Did you see the stars up there?
No. It isn't able to see that well in the dark.
I see that.
Yeah, I caught that on camera.
Oh, it's two going over there. It's over there on the hill, right there.
Yeah, I got it caught on camera here. It's not in the same place as the other one. There must be some private fireworks.
Yeah, it's two of them.
All right, I got 26% on the battery. I'm going to continue my descent. Now, I need to back up a little bit.
Oh, I right here. Oil.
And go over. I can still see the fireworks. Need to turn the lens up
That
this
must
way.
be down at our country club.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Let's turn it over this way a little. I've only got 21%.
Well, you better get it down.
Alright, here it comes. Low battery signal.
Whoa!
I'm just going to land it in front of me here.
Landing. Landing.
You
Landing.
used the big one, didn't you?
Landing.
No, that's the little one.
Oh,
That's the
that's the
Mavic
little
Mini. That's why I couldn't zoom in. If I had the big one, I could have zoomed in. The Mavic Pro didn't have that out here, though. Alright, let's stop the recording, because if you don't, the file gets corrupted.